Very good morning to all of you. So today let's sort out the difference between dry skin and dehydrated skin. Now dry skin is a skin type, like your combination skin type, normal skin type. Dry skin is also a skin type. Dehydrated skin is a skin condition. So this condition can occur if your skin is dry, if it is oily, if it is combined or normal. So when you are having dry skin, you will have this feeling of tightness, you will have redness, you will have a bit of itching, and this is something like a genetic, you are born with it, okay? And the other factors that can influence the dryness is the kind of food that you eat, also the place where you live in, the climatic conditions and so on. Now what happens in a dry skin is that you will have this dryness or this, itchiness and flaking, and all these things will happen all over your body. More so in specific areas, but it will happen all over your body from your scalp to foot, and this gets worsened during winter. Dehydration is something that can happen only in certain areas. It need not necessarily happen all over your skin. However, we tend to get confused between the two because that is something that we very often see on our face. Okay, now the reason as to why you see it more on your face is that you put in a lot of makeup, or you use some improper products, or you use heavy makeup. And sometimes again, the food that we eat or the climatic conditions also will have an influence on this dehydration. What essentially happens is that your face lacks water. You keep giving it all these makeup products and all these things which will have more oil in them, and also naturally your body will tend to produce more oil trying to correct the dehydration. But dehydration is something that just needs water. So the body also produces more oil, you also keep putting more oil, and then what happens is it will result in clogging of pores, acne, breakouts, redness, rashes, etc, etc. So many a times all you need to do is give water to your skin. And how are you going to do it? Not just by drinking it, but also by applying it in the form of a moisturizer. Whenever you find that your skin is a little irritated, always try to choose water-based moisturizers. And when I say water-based moisturizers, think hyaluronic acid. That's all you need to remember. Any product which contains hyaluronic acid will work very efficiently for a dehydrated skin. Dry skin, dry skin is slightly different from dehydrated skin, because in dry skin what is happening is that your skin barrier is breached, okay? So the barrier will not be impacted, meaning that wall that is present on your skin will not be tight and woven together. So what happens is it will allow a lot of irritants to enter and cause more irritation and dehydration and things like that. So what you have to be doing is you need to repair this barrier, and you need to make a very good wall. And how do you do it? You do it by choosing certain products in your moisturizers like ceramides or butters. So whenever your skin is dry, think ceramides or butters. These are things which will help moisturize your skin, give it more oil that it is lacking, at the same time repair your skin barriers as well. Okay, so these are the simple ways by which you can differentiate your dry skin and dehydrated skin. Now if you are having dry skin, you can also do a lot of procedures like hydrofacials. You can do a lot of lactic acid based peels. All these things will tend to improve your dry skin. And when you are having dehydrated skin also, you can go in for hydrofacials, or with terms of dehydration, we tend to do more water based medical facials, which will be very helpful for these patients. But the first step into treating your skin is by choosing the right product. Don't go overboard with the product, especially during the summer season. Drink lots and lots of water, and also choose water-based moisturizers like hyaluronic acid to keep your dehydrated skin at bay. Thank you.